Hey folks, today is May the 8th. It's currently about 6:30 in the afternoon. We're going to do our Titan G7 week number 7 update review. And we'll also take a look in the Telegram chat and see if there were any updates this week. And also check in the Facebook group to see what some of the other members have done this week. And I know this was non-farm payroll week. And as they originally recommended, I did just let the expert advisor continue to run today. I know some people decided to turn it off. So we'll see who did better this week. Me with just letting it run, or some of the people in the group who decided to shut it down and take profits where they were. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. As you can see, it definitely was a losing week. Our equity 724, balance 716. Last week, both our equity and balance were around $750. So, see here, 270. So we definitely were up there. And now we're down to 216. But obviously, we can't expect every week to be a winning week. It's not how trading works. Let's go ahead and check over here to see if we had some announcements here. All right, this was May the 2nd. All right, so that was on Saturday. See what they had to say here. All right, for this week, Titan G7 recap. All right, so there's a video there. Price increase. I believe they decided to just leave it the way it was because they aren't going to be including a free VPS anymore. All right, when we released the Titan G7, it was a gift to help our edge traders continue to thrive during the COVID-19 pandemic. We mentioned that the price for G7 would increase for all new members who joined from the 30th of April due to the fact that the free VPS is no longer being included for new members. We have decided to keep the price the same. So that means that the Blue Edge membership for $147 per month will include the Edge Trading Academy, Titan G7, Bank Secret Indicator, Tax Secrets for Traders, and Millionaire Trader Series. All right, and it looks like they're going to be discontinuing the original Titan on May 31st. All right, so this will be the last month. I don't think it's that big of a loss. I'll just most likely just remove it from here, or either I'll keep it if you guys just want to see it there. All right, let's keep on scrolling down here. Tomorrow's non-farm payroll. This news happens the first Friday of each month, can cause more than normal volatility in the markets for a few hours. All right, you have a few options. Let the software run. Turn off the auto trading button so no new trades are opened, or you can turn off the auto trading button and close out any open trades. And obviously I chose option number 1, which is to just let the software run. All right. Those are all our updates here. Let me pause it, and I'll go ahead and jump in the VPS so we can see what happened on the charts. All right, so we got the VPS open here. And I'm waiting for my mouse to catch up. I don't know why, but the VPS always slows things down for some reason. All right, so as you guys can see here, we had quite a few trades open up today. Actually, let me scroll down a little, maybe 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we had 8 trades open up today. And overall, it looks like we're currently up $7.69 going into the weekend. And what is this? $716.34 is our current balance. All right, so that's kind of where we stand with that. I'm really anxious to jump into the Facebook group and see how everybody else did. All right, give me 1 second. All right, and this was a pretty volatile week here. If we check Forex Factory, all right, 4th is the first day of the week. Nothing really on that day. Tuesday, lots of high impact news releases. Wednesday, lots of high impact news releases. Looks like the same for Thursday, USD unemployment claims and quite a few others. And Friday, of course, we had non-farm payroll and also Canadian employment change, unemployment rate. So definitely a busy week for news. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the group. We'll go ahead and refresh the page. Make sure we got the most recent updates here. All right. Another week in the books. My first non-winning week with G7. I'm bummed, but know that I can't win every time. All right. Taking a loss and repositioning is much better than riding a bad trade multiple levels into the ground. Looking forward to a hopeful bounce back. All right. This needs to be posted to show that not all weeks are winners. Exactly. All right. Let's see what he's looking like right now. So as you can see, he did have that little pullback. Hopefully we'll get a few MyFX book accounts here. Not a great week, but I'm still in a great position. Up 57% in 7 weeks. 6.6% per week on average. Just waiting for another 15 to 20% week. Why are we here? That's right. Long-term growth that may just turn out to be massive growth. All right. We can see here, I guess this is a weekly. So he's had a nice 22% week, 18% week, 4%, 4%, a nice 8% week, and a few losing weeks here recently. So definitely had a lot more winning weeks than losing weeks. All right, everyone is checking their phone every 30 seconds to look at their trades, but Blue Edge is offering you so much more than just G7. I can't believe people aren't taking advantage of the time and opportunity we have right now. All right. As you can see right now, this individual's up 3.91%. I understand some of y'all might be frustrated with the results from the last 2 weeks with G7, but please understand this is a market that no trader, bank, or trading software has ever experienced. There will be losses. You cannot win 100% of the time, but over time, you will come back from whatever losses you've had. All right. It's been a hectic start to the month, but I'm up over 3% for the month on my G7 account with manual trades. Trading isn't easy. That's why we're using G7 to trade for us, but does that mean we shouldn't learn? All right. Yesterday. See if he has a MyFX book link here. All right, that's a pretty long one here. There's been a lot of chatter on here regarding the non-farm payroll news coming up tomorrow. Some of you are suggesting to shut the software down. Others are suggesting to close out all trades. Here's my 2 cents. The market at this point has probably already factored in non-farm payroll findings. All right. Look at it this way. I've hired an employee to work 6 days a week for me around the clock. It never stops, never asks for a raise, never takes breaks. Okay. Pay this employee $147 per month. All right. Let's keep on scrolling down. All right. So once again, not a lot of links for MyFX book, but this week is looking pretty good. This must have been definitely the beginning of the week. May 5th. Yep. And as always, can't forget about this. Past results do not guarantee future results. All right, so I think that's all that we're going to find here. All right, as we sit contemplating the trades taken and closed this week, I want to give you some understanding that came to me. Where's your focus? I know this question isn't new, but it bears repeating. The bot isn't perfect, but neither are we. All right. I heard a stat that in the past 10 years, the stock market. All right, so he's basically just talking about what's going on. All right, so that's kind of all the updates here. I would have waited until about 7 o'clock to do this review, but we got a storm coming in, and I want to get this out there to you guys just in case my power goes out. All right, so I think that's everything I wanted to touch on. Again, definitely not the best week, but we've had, 4 or 5 weeks of really nice wins. And of course, obviously, there are going to be some weeks where we don't win. That's to be expected. All right, so if you guys have any questions, as always, do not hesitate to send them my way, and I'll try to find the answer. If you want to get more information on Titan G7, make sure you guys click the link below. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll be back on May the 15th for the next weekly update review.